Okay, good morning, and it is okay, so Ron tells me it is January 24th and I cannot believe it already. So this is our little pile here that we're starting. We have dishwasher, bed frame, and some aluminum blinds.
Yep, very good.
Okay, we're at our next stop and we've got some odds and sods. Pots and pans and, oh, lots of stuff here. Okay. Can you carry the two of them? Oh, yeah. There you go. Well, it's a nice day out. Thank goodness it's not minus 35. So, reusable tote bin. I like those boxes. Okay, I'll hang on to this. So what do we have in there? Trays and, okay.
This is stainless.
Okay.
This is...
Oh,
look at this.
Look at that. Isn't that cute? I like that little pot. Isn't that cute?
Isn't that what
I don't know.
Polly
That's
said?
cute. No, I wouldn't want to oh, that's copper. Isn't that cute?
Great.
Okay, well, what are you doing with that? All right, this is our next stop. Look at what we have here.
Aluminum, man, good stuff
wow.
here. Look at that electrical cord, a heater.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And what's in that? Does it say? What's it say on there?
Wiring harness in here.
Okay. All good stuff. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, we're at our next stop, and we are getting a dishwasher and cans. Oh, these are in nice bags. Okay, cans and a dishwasher. Okay, I will help you bring the cans over. So we didn't seem like we had lots to pick up today, but it's adding up. It's adding up, and here comes Ron. Dishwashers on wheels. How nice is that? Would you like me to help you?
No.
Okay. And it's on. It's on. Okay. Alrighty. And another bag. Well, there we go. That fit in there quite nicely. All right.
Is it gonna blow out?
I don't know. Well, you'll have to check it. Okay, is it going to blow out? I don't, well, you're not going down the highway.
That room?
Don't make room.
Oh, we'll make room.
Oh, perfect.
Perfect, thank you.
Have any
Okay.
dogs?
Dogs? No.
Oh, okay. Then I won't give you a cookie then.
Oh, no. Yeah, thanks. I could give it to my husband, but or my kids.
So this is a Bay Crest.
Yeah, it's old, so we couldn't get a tire.
Okay, so this is our last stop. And what do we have here? We have a sink. And I don't know what else we have here. Cans. and a sink and that. Okay, all right, I'll help them.